Hey guys! In this video we're going to continue our discussion of happy atoms. In the previous video we talked about how gaining electrons can make an atom happy. But guess what? Atoms can also lose electrons to become happy. But how do we know which atoms want to lose electrons versus atoms who prefer to gain electrons? Let's take a look at the periodic table in front of us. So let's look at lithium. It's in group 1, so it has one valence electron. Now let's think. Which is easier to make this atom happy? Gain 7 electrons or just lose 1? Of course, just lose 1. It all comes down to the number of electrons that it takes in order to make the atom happy. You gotta think, which number of electrons is smaller? The number of electrons the atom has to gain or lose? Whichever number is smaller, that's what the atom will want to do. This makes sense, as groups 1 through 3 will want to lose electrons in order to get 8, because then they'll just go to the shell below their valence shell and that'll be perfectly filled. And then groups 5 through 7 will gain electrons. Group 4 atoms can go either way depending on the situation. Now that you know that, let's do some practice problems.